Hey, it's me, Nikki, and I'm a homemaker. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. This is my first setup on how I did my first paparazzi party. 2 days after the first time I filmed the first part where I was getting my first shipment in, my second and third shipment have now come in. I'm almost done laying everything down. Today is my first party. I do have a friend and I think she's going to be hosting it. I haven't got word. She's trying to see if she can get out of work. It's a whole thing, but even if she doesn't come through, I'm still gonna throw the party. They did bring some drinks. What else? We have food coming in, we have desserts made. Like, we're trying to make a whole thing of it. I'm so excited. This is my first paparazzi party, so I'm really excited for it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and whatever you don't like, just disregard it, and whatever you do find appealing, well then I hope it inspires you in some type of way. Here's my new setup with some more jewelry that I got in. I got a little thing for the rings. I found my little pegboard thingies and put some earrings on there, jewelry. So yeah, got way more stuff. I am really excited about it. And over here, I have a little setup. I got some party punch, some desserts. I think it looks really cute. Yeah, there we go. I love it. I cannot wait. I hope we get a full house and people come and I make a little something. Even if I don't, I get stuck with all this beautiful jewelry and I ain't even mad at that. I'm not mad one bit. We'll see how it goes. I was gonna film parts of the party where people came over and show them shopping, but I got so caught up in the party. It was so fun. I was meeting new people, and not too many people came. I didn't have that much traffic, but for the people that did come, they did buy a lot. So it's pretty cool. I made my money back that I put in on how much I had to pay to start paparazzi. So I already got my money back on that. So the rest is going to be profit. So I'm excited about that. I really wish I could have showed y'all more, and please excuse my eyelashes. They're coming off. I don't know, I have like allergies today. You already know how it is with these allergies, and I don't even know why I chose to wear these loud colors on my eyes, because I think I'm about to take it off. But anyways, this is from some of my new jewelry as well. I wanted to wear it in this bracelet. So yeah, I did really good on my first party, and I'm really happy and thankful for all the people that did come. Next time I will try to film us, you know, having a party, because I'm planning on doing one party a month. That's what I'm gonna try to do if I can do it, but I'm doing a lot of lives on Facebook as well, and I'm gonna start incorporating some games to bless people as well. So we'll see how that goes. Next time I should have my daughter film while I'm entertaining people, because I can't entertain and can't have a camera in their face at the same time. So I might have my daughter just record some of the stuff so that you can get an idea on how I did it and give you an idea on how you want to do it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed one. See you on my next video.